In this segment, we're going to cover the definition of pollution degree in the context of power supply specifications. Now, the pollution degree rating is a classification that's actually given by the International Electrotechnical Commission, or short IEC, which indicates the amount of dust, moisture, or other conductive material or foreign matter in a certain environment. Now, it is used to define the level of insulation and other protections needed for safe operation of electrical equipment, and of course this includes power supplies. When selecting power supplies, it is primarily used to assess the suitability of a power supply for that particular environment. Now, pollution degree is represented by a numerical value ranging from 1 to 4, with each value indicating the different level of contamination. Here's a general overview of the pollution degree levels. Let's look at pollution degree level 1. Now, in this level, it signifies the clean and controlled environments with minimal risk of contamination. And examples of this would include well-protected locations such as a lab or office environments. And these environments are usually temperature controlled with minimal dust, and since there are people present in these areas for long periods of time, these environments are pretty clean. It is the least challenging environment for power supplies and other electronics. When we get to pollution level degree 2, this level represents environments where there may be an occasional contamination, such as residential areas or commercial buildings. However, the contamination here isn't that severe and is not expected to affect the performance or safety of a power supply significantly. But when we get to pollution degree 3, this level indicates environments that are significantly contaminated where there may also be conductive pollution. And examples of this would include industrial areas, construction sites, or locations of high levels of dust, moisture, or other conductive materials. Power supplies designed for pollution degree level 3 must have enhanced protection against such contamination. Examples of protection would include conformal coating of the electronics in the power supply or even ingress protection. Now, when we get to pollution degree level 4, this is the level that represents the most harsh and highly contaminated environments. These environments may involve conductive pollution, such as conductive dust or chemical substances that can cause severe damage to electrical equipment. Power supplies designed for pollution degree 4 must have the highest level of protection to ensure safe and reliable operation. Now, it's important to note that the specific requirements and standards for pollution degree can vary depending on the application, country, or the industry. Manufacturers typically specify pollution degree ratings for their power supplies to help users select the appropriate product for their intended environment. For more information on how to specify power supplies where pollution degree ratings are a consideration, give us a call here at TRC Electronics. Our power supply specialist will review your requirements, answer all your questions, and select the right power supply for your application. And to learn more about applications of power supplies or selection, subscribe to our channel